Well, it's a new year, but some things haven't changed all that much. The stock market is making new highs despite the jobs market showing signs of slowing. This morning we had JOLTS job openings, which confirmed an already existing downward trend in job openings here in the US. Meanwhile, unemployment rate is on the rise here over the last few years, and this morning's ADP numbers showed that hiring in the private sector was also a little bit light in the prior month. This has been trending down, as well as the main jobs number, the non-farm payroll. So naturally people have questions. How can the stock market be going up if the jobs market is that bad? Well, here's some better data that we've gotten recently. The consumer price index year over year, which is a way of measuring inflation, has been coming down for the last few years. If we zoom out here from the 2022 or so, you can see inflation has made a lot of progress. Currently, inflation's at about 2.7%, while wage growth year over year across the states is about 3.6%. This is definitely an improvement given that in years past we saw prices rising dramatically faster than wages, whereas that has somewhat reversed course, although things still feel very expensive for the average person out there. But the real reason that the stock market, in my view, continues to charge higher despite a slow jobs market is because the actual output of the economy is still going strong. This morning, we had the services PMI statistic come out way better than expected, showing forward-looking indicators showing upbeat growth in the services component of our economy. And remember, the US is very services based. We're not nearly as much of a manufacturing country as we are a services based. Think software, Uber, Amazon, all these different services that the US creates. We're a service based economy. And you can see forward looking indicators from the Purchasing Managers Index, forward looking, suggesting more growth in the economy. We've also seen GDP growth back to back, consistently putting in strong growth compared to expectations. So while it doesn't necessarily feel fair and things are still expensive, the stock market is experiencing a boom because growth on the overall economy level still is showing a lot of strength. And this is also materializing the stock market in the form of huge corporate earnings rising and rising. If you want to learn more about this stuff, consider listening to today's podcast episode on the Market Insights podcast. I'll leave a link in my profile if you want to check it out.